Hello guys, welcome to College Deco. Today we will discuss the selection process of AFCAT. AFCAT is a national level entrance exam conducted by the Indian Air Force for selecting officers in various branches including technical branch, ground duty branch and flying branch. Selection of candidates through AFCAT is done twice a year. The AFCAT selection process comprises an online exam followed by Air Force Selection Board interview. Only the candidates who qualify the AFCAT exam receive a call letter for the AFSP interview after the declaration of the AFCAT result. The AFCAT selection process takes place in multiple stages starting from the release of exam notification to preparation of the merit list. Joining instructions are sent to the candidates who are selected based on their overall merit. Let's discuss all the steps involved in the selection process of AFCAT. Step 1 is the release of exam notification. IAF released an official notification for the exam on the official website of AFCAT. The notification contains the exam schedule, eligibility, application process and other required information. Candidates must go through this information carefully and respond to the notification by filling up the application form. Step 2 is appearing for the AFCAT written test. AFCAT is a written exam which is conducted by IAF. The exam consists of objective type questions which candidates have to complete within 2 hours. AFCAT will be conducted in various cities across the country. Only candidates who will clear the AFCAT examination will be selected for the next round. Candidates who qualify the AFCAT written test will receive a call letter for the AFSP interview. Candidates need to choose the date and venue for the interview within a deadline. Those who fail to select the date and exam venue for the AFSP interview will be allotted the same on a random basis and no request for any changes will be added. The AFSP interview will be conducted for 4 to 5 days at Dehradun, Mysuru, Gandhinagar and Varanasi. Candidates who opt for the meteorology branch and NCC special entry will be directly invited to any of the available setup for testing. Other candidates who applied for the flying branch may choose between Dehradun, Mysuru and Varanasi for their interview session. The AFSP interview will be divided into 2 stages. Stage 1 of an AFSP interview is a screening test. It takes place on the first day of the candidate's arrival at AFSP Center and includes 2 tests, namely Officer Intelligence Rating Test and Picture Perception and Discussion Test. The results of Stage 1 are declared soon after the board tests have been conducted. Candidates who qualify the Stage 1 are required to stay behind and appear for the Stage 2 of the AFSP interview. Candidates who do not qualify the screening test have to return from the centers. The Stage 2 of the AFSP interview is a prolonged process that is conducted for over next 4 to 5 days. Psychological tests, group tests, personal interview and computerized pilot selection system are conducted during the second stage. CPSS is conducted on day 5 and only candidates who are applying for the flying branch are required to appear for this test. Stage for the medical examination. Candidates appearing for the AFSB should be mentally as well as physically fit. A medical examination is conducted by the conducting body of AFCAT to examine the physical and mental health of the candidate. The medical examination is conducted at 2 centers, namely Air Force Central Medical Establishment New Delhi and Institute of Aviation Medicine Bangalore. The final merit list will be prepared by the IAF on the basis of overall performance of the exam. IAF will consider the AFCAT score of the candidate and performance of the candidate in AFSP interview while preparing the merit list. Candidates should note that they have to carry the documents provided on the screen while appearing for the AFSP interview. So, this was all about the selection process of AFCAT. Hope we have cleared all your doubts regarding the selection process. However, if you have further questions regarding this AFCAT selection process, you can ask your questions at the College Deco Q&A zone. The dial link for the Q&A zone is provided here.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.